This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Angela Mayfield. The home has over 4,000 square feet and boasts 7 spacious bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, 2 laundry hooks, 2 hot water tanks, new electric, plumbing, fixtures, kitchen and more. The owner's suite is just under 1,200 square feet and has high ceilings, natural light, private deck, and laundry hook. Minutes from Southridge, Bridge Road Shops, South Charleston and downtown Charleston. For more information, review the details below or contact Angela Mayfield at 304-776-7653.